The review that I have prepared for you guys for this weekend, including today, Friday, is a set of problems of the same kind of problem we have been solving for the sections 5.4, 5, and 5.6 that you already have. The ones you have as are form G's. These ones are form K. So, but this is the same kind of problem, so you will be very familiar with the process and all this. So I am going to select some of them. You know, it's a good set of about 20 problems. That is going to give us a very good criteria about the polynomial, how to solve polynomial functions and the important theorems about those polynomials. I'm going to start with 5.4, problem number 23. You guys can see it. This is from 5.4, form K. I'm going to be telling you from 5.4 K, form K, I'm going to solve 23 and 24. And you guys are going to have some problems to solve. And I'm going to leave everything ready in the packet with the front page and exactly what problem you need to solve. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm going to start with number 23. This problem, this is 5.4, 23, is about using direct division and the given factor to completely factor each polynomial function. So we're going to use direct division for this polynomial. This is y equals to 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 13x plus 6. And the factor is given is x plus 1. So this is a polynomial. They're giving you that factor. In other words, they're telling you this polynomial is x plus 1 times something else. How do I find the other polynomial? Well, what you have to do is actually divide this over this. So when I use direct division, start by writing all the coefficients. And this is the box. And we have here opposite sign for the positive one that we have, because this is a factor. Remember, when we give you a factor, you just change the sign. So break down the 2, multiply, this is negative 2, add 7, multiply, negative 7, add, this is 6, multiply is negative 6, we add, and with 0. Is we supposed to, we know already that it has to be 0 because they tell me this is a factor, right? So that has to be 0. Now from here, this is the quotient, and this is 2x squared, right? You bring down and 1, plus 7x plus 6. That's the other factor. Now let's try to factor this one by using the criteria that when you multiply this times this is positive 12. And we're gonna say factors of 12 that when you add, you get 7. 2 times 6 is 12. Factors of 12 that add 7, 4 times 3, right? 4 times 3 are the factors. So bring down the 2x squared. So for x plus 3x plus 6, we rewrite the whole thing. Then we factor by grouping, and you have factor is 2x times 2x plus 2 times x plus 2, sorry, times x plus 2. Factor from here we have 3, x plus 2, and the common factor between these two is x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. So the polynomial, the original polynomial is given, so that means that is given, we already factored it. This one is 2x cubed plus 9x squared. Let me write it down. So far we have 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 13x 6 is equals to x plus 1 times x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. If they're asking you only to find the factors, we're done. But in this case, well, naturally that's what they want. They don't want to find. I was thinking if they ask me to find the zeros, I have to set this 0 and finish, you know, solving each one for x, and you get the zeros. But in this case, they want you just to factor it.